Hello! Good morning, Crush Lab. How are you? I hope everything is fine with you. Again, happiness is the key. Okay? Siyempre, support ako kay Crush Lab. So, alam mo naman, support sa magagandang boses na sana ako rin maganda boses. Pero, support kami sa'yo. So, meaning to say na ipin-upload mo yung video, ibig sabihin nun, you have many followers already. Yung followers mo, makikilala ngayon kami, magiging onting viral kami dahil sa, siyempre, yung channel mo, marami ng followers. Pag in-upload mo, marami na rin makikita yung video namin. So, no problem. Alam mo naman, naka-contract lang ako sa'yo, Crush Lab. Sige, yun lang. Have a good day. And always smile. Always think happiness and positivity around you. And that's it. Mama chup chup. Ay, bye-bye.